Namaskar everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we are going to learn how to talk about weather conditions in Hindi. And you'll also learn some useful sentences that you can use in Hindi conversation with your friends and family. So let us start with how to say weather in Hindi. The Hindi word is मौसम, मौसम और ये masculine noun है. This is a masculine noun. The same word mausam is also used to talk about season. So we have the same word for weather and season. It is mausam. Then to ask, how is the weather? You should speak mausam kaisa hai? Mausam kaisa hai? Because mausam is masculine, so the sentence will always have the masculine form kaisa and never kaisi. मौसम कैसा है? And here are some responses. One of the responses is, it is good. It's good. If you want to say the weather is good, it's nice, you should speak, मौसम अच्छा है. मौसम अच्छा है. If you want to use the word pleasant in your Hindi conversation, then say सुहाना. Pleasant मतलब सुहाना. सुहाना मौसम है. सुहाना मौसम है. मतलब the weather is pleasant. Or you can also say that मौसम सुहाना है. मौसम सुहाना है. मतलब the weather is pleasant. It is a pleasant weather. If the weather is bad, say मौसम खराब है. मौसम खराब है. खराब मतलब bad. The weather is bad or it is worse. To say that it's bright and sunny today, you should speak आज तेज धूप है. आज तेज धूप है. To say sunny, we use the word sunlight, which is dhoop. So when you say tez dhoop, matlab there's bright sunlight. So there is bright sunlight today is what the Hindi sentence means. Aaj tez dhoop hai. Another way to say sunny is this, where you actually mean that it's sunny, but it's pleasant. It's not too bright. Use the word halki. Halki. Aaj halki dhoop hai. आज हल्की धूप है. That means it's a sunny day, but it's pleasant. To say it's foggy outside, use the word कोहरा. कोहरा. कोहरा मतलब fog, which is a masculine noun. बाहर कोहरा है. बाहर कोहरा है. There is fog outside, which is same as saying it is foggy outside. If there's thick fog, use the word घना. घना for thick. घना कोहरा है. घना कोहरा है. Now, this is a very simple and a short sentence. You can add on words if you like in your sentence. Like you can add the word आज to it. आज घना कोहरा है. आज घना कोहरा है. There is thick fog today. Or you can speak बाहर घना कोहरा है. बाहर घना कोहरा है. That means there is thick fog outside. So घना means thick. It's like how we say thick forest. Thick forest मतलब घना जंगल. घना जंगल. Next is for snowfall, use the word बर्फ. बर्फ पड़ रही है. बर्फ पड़ रही है. बर्फ is snow. पड़ रही है is like saying falling. Snow is falling. So it is snowing. बर्फ पड़ रही है. This पढ़ is different from पढ़. पढ़, पढ़. Pad means read, study. This is for falling. Next is to say that the sky is clear today. So the word for clear is saaf. Saaf, which is same as clean. Here it means clear. आज आसमान साफ है. आज आसमान साफ है. Today the sky is clear. Then if you want to say it's cloudy, then it's cloudy here is यहाँ बादल हैं. यहाँ बादल हैं, which actually means there are clouds here. To say it is cloudy. Another variant is where you speak that clouds are scattered in the sky. यहाँ बादल छाए हैं. यहाँ बादल छाए हैं. छाए मतलब scattered, spread. So which is same as saying it is cloudy. Next, if you want to talk about dark clouds, then add the word काले. काले for clouds. यहाँ काले बादल हैं. यहाँ काले बादल हैं. Dark clouds are here. Or you can say यहाँ काले बादल छाए हैं. यहाँ काले बादल छाए हैं. That means dark clouds are scattered here. Next is it's going to rain. So when dark clouds are there in the sky and it's going to rain, you can speak बारिश होने वाली है. बारिश होने वाली है. Barish is feminine. One of my subscribers had also asked me if Barish is masculine or feminine. So the answer is that Barish is feminine. That's why we end with the feminine verb. Barish hone wali hai. Hone wali hai means it is going to, it's about to. Next is it is raining. So when it actually starts raining, you should say Barish ho rahi hai. Barish ho rahi hai. Ho rahi hai means happening. So rain is happening. It is raining. Many people speak barish aa rahi hai. That is wrong way of saying it is raining. When it actually starts raining, when it's raining, you should say barish ho rahi hai. If it's pouring, for heavy rainfall, use the word tez. Tez. Tez in the context of sunlight, it means bright sunlight. But if you use it with barish, it means heavy rainfall. तेज बारिश हो रही है. There is heavy rainfall. Or it is pouring. If you mean light rain, that is drizzle. If you want to say it's drizzling, I have 3 variations. So the first one is बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. बूंदा बांदी comes from the word bund, which means drop or water droplet. So bunda bandi, which means light rain, drizzling, ho rahi hai, is happening. It is drizzling. Another way to speak the same sentence is by replacing bunda bandi with a synonym, which is rimjhim barish. Rimjhim barish. Rimjhim barish ho rahi hai. Light rain is taking place, going on. And the third one is halki barish ho rahi hai. Halki barish is literally light rain. Halki means light. So halki barish ho rahi hai. Next is to talk about chilly weather. If you want to say that the weather is freezing cold, it's chilly. Then one of the ways to convey that is by saying बहुत सर्दी है. बहुत सर्दी है. That means it is very cold. Or you can say बहुत ठंड है. बहुत ठंड है. Sardi and ठंड are synonyms. If you mean cold but not chilly, then just remove the word बहुत. Say you can say सर्दी है in short. सर्दी है और ठंड है. यहाँ सर्दी है. It's cold here. यहाँ ठंड है. बाहर सर्दी है. It's cold outside. बाहर ठंड है. आज सर्दी है. It's cold today. आज ठंड है. To say that it's hot, speak गर्मी है. The opposite of सर्दी is गर्मी. गर्मी है. यहाँ गर्मी है. It's hot here. बाहर गर्मी है. It's hot outside. आज गर्मी है. It's hot today. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot today. So you can keep on adding and omitting words in your sentences depending on what you want to say. Next is for humidity. The word for humidity in Hindi is umas. Umas. And it is a feminine noun. To say it is humid or it's a humid day, you can simply say umas hai. Umas hai. Aaj umas hai. It is a humid day or it's humid today. Next is windy. It is windy. So, once again, just like cloudy, just like sunny, for windy also, we talk about the element. Like when you want to say it is sunny, we actually use the word for sunlight. We say there is sunlight. When you want to say it is cloudy, we say there are clouds. Similarly, when you want to say it is windy, you use the word for wind. So, which is hava. Hava matlab air. Tez hava matlab wind. So here tez with hava, the word tez with hava means fast, fast wind. चल रही है is blowing. तेज हवा चल रही है, wind is blowing. So it is windy. For windstorm, use the word आंधी. आंधी, which is a feminine noun. आंधी चल रही है. आंधी चल रही है. It is stormy or there is a windstorm. Now, this question is for you. In the comment section, please tell me, आज आपके शहर में मौसम कैसा है? आज, today, आपके शहर में, in your city, मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather? Once again, आज आपके शहर में मौसम कैसा है? So how is the weather in your city today?